If you have watched a lot of videos about Etsy dropshipping, you may realize that a lot of people say different things and it's very confusing. And some people, they don't even know what they are talking about. They just tell you, hi, go to this website, take the product, start listing on Etsy. That's it's crazy, guys. A lot of people go to bend on Etsy because they don't really they don't do drop shipping correctly. They don't know how Etsy works. They don't know that Etsy is different from other e-commerce websites, for example Amazon or eBay. It's very different, and I'm going to explain to you the first mistake, a lot of mistakes. If I'm going to explain to you every single thing and how you can start dropshipping on Etsy, a very successful dropshipping store. I'm going to tell you every step by step on how you can do that. Now, first thing you want to do, guys, you want to log into you want to search for AliExpress. You already know AliExpress is the biggest Chinese website in the world. You can find any item here, everything from handmade, from anything you want. Okay. Now, what new sellers do, like when you watch a video on YouTube, the YouTuber tells them that, hi, find a product on AliExpress and list it on Etsy. Now they go to AliExpress like this, and then they find AirPods or anything like that, like AirPods, for example, these AirPods. Then they start listing, they start downloading the pictures from AliExpress and the title, and they copy the description, and then they go to their Etsy, they click on the profile here, and they click on sell, and they open their store, and then they start selling. Now the problem is they forgot that on Etsy you can't sell any product, you only sell handmade products. Now this is not handmade, okay? It's obvious this is coming from a big company. It's not handmade. So the moment you list this, your account will get banned. It's simple as that. That's the only problem with listing every item you find on AliExpress. You only list items that are handmade. So if you go to Etsy itself, okay, you search for AirPods. Let me do that right now. I'm going to search for AirPods, okay? Now, if you search for AirPods, you are not going to find AirPods, like AirPods that you put in your ears. You only find the keys of AirPods, because you can create the keys at your home. Like you can create it if you have the tools, you can create it. Okay, as you can see, if we click on this is the keys of the AirPods. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to find the same thing. You want to go to AliExpress. Instead of looking to list like a watch, a physical watch, you want to go and find something that is handmade. For example, a keys. Okay, search for handmade keys for iPhone, for example, or for phone, or for AirPods. You don't even have to search for handmade. Just search for keys for AirPods, and then as you can see, this is the keys. Okay, make sure something looks like it's handmade. Okay, so for example, this one looks like it's a handmade product. If it doesn't look like it's handmade, find something else. Okay, I'm going to find it right now. I'm going to find something like, okay, this one, for example, this one. Yeah, and then start listing this item instead of listing an AirPods. Start listing the keys of AirPods. Now, dropshipping is allowed on Etsy. The problem with sellers is they don't know how Etsy works. They don't know that Etsy only accepts sellers who are going to sell handmade products, because that's the best thing about Etsy. It's special. It's not like other it's not like other e-commerce websites like Amazon, Walmart, other suppliers like that. Now you want to go create an account on AliExpress, and then you open a store on your Etsy. If you don't know how to open a store, it's very easy. You just want to go to YouTube and search for how to create a store on Etsy, and then you will be able to do that. Okay, or how to list. If you don't know how to list, just search on YouTube how to list an item from AliExpress to Etsy, and you will find a lot of videos about that specific thing. In this video, I'm just going to tell you guys how you can start this business, like the important things that you need to know before you can list the item. Okay, listing and creating a store, every single thing is very easy. These things are easy, but these things are, a lot of people got them wrong. Like, they don't know that when they watch a YouTube video and then they tell them, hi, go to AliExpress, list an item, and they don't know that they can only sell handmade products on Etsy. That's the only problem, guys. That's the biggest problem. Now, if you don't want to list keys, for example, search for necklace. Okay, search for necklace, and for example this one. Okay, for example, as you can see, now you want to find something similar to this on AliExpress. As you can see, it says here custom, this is custom necklace. So if you buy this, you can tell the seller, hi, I want my name to be here. And you can do the same thing. Go to AliExpress, search for necklace for women, and add custom, so that you can also add a custom name. And as you can see, this one looks like it's handmade, as you can see. Now you want to list this exact item. If someone places an order on Etsy, go to AliExpress. After you buy the item, contact the seller, hi, please add the name blah 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 on the necklace. Okay, and you are going to add the name here, and then you can get the tracking number, and then you can give it to your buyer on Etsy, and that's it, guys. It's not complicated. This is not a complicated thing. It's very easy. Now let's say that you have a question, you don't know what to do about something, something is confusing. Like, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know what question you have. I will reply to you guys, and I will tell you what to do. I will answer all your questions in the comments. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and let me know in the comments what questions you have. I will reply to you guys. See you guys next video.